Union Home Minister Amit Shah today said the Narendra Modi government is committed to social justice and has taken a historic decision to include caste enumeration in the upcoming census. Following a Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs (CCPM) meeting chaired by the Prime Minister, Shah said the move reflects the government's dedication to social equality and the rights of all communities. He noted that Congress and its allies had long opposed the caste census while in power and continued to politicize the issue in opposition as well. 21 Manipur MLAs have submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah urging the immediate formation of a popular government in the state under the President's rule. The Ministry of Home Affairs received a memorandum yesterday and made it public today. President's rule was imposed on February 13 after Chief Minister N. Biren Singh resigned amid ongoing Meitei Kuki-Zo ethnic violence that has killed over 250 and displaced thousands since May 2023. The MLAs, 13 BJP, 3 NPP, 3 Naga People's Front and 2 independents cited public frustration over the lack of progress in restoring peace, saying hopes placed in President's rule remain unmet nearly 3 months later. Clashes have intensified in the southern suburbs of Damascus, particularly in Ashrafiyat Sanhaya, amid rising sectarian unrest, according to the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights (SOHR). Fighting involving RPGs and small arms, along with explosions, led authorities to impose night curfews in Shanaya and Ashrafiyat Shanhaya. At least 18 people have been killed, 9 civilians from local areas and 9 pro-government fighters, with 15 others injured, some critically injured. The violence follows earlier unrest in Jaramana, reportedly sparked by a circulated audio clip offensive to Islam, allegedly from a Druze individual. Sectarian tensions have since spread to Aleppo, Homs and other parts of Syria, Xinhua news agency reported. India finished at the top of the medal tally at the Asian Under-15 Boxing Championships with 25 medals, including 11 golds, 10 of them won by the girls' team, who dominated all their final bouts. Komal, Kushi Alawat, Tamanna, Svi, Milky, Mainam, Princey, Navya, Sunaina, Trushana, Mohit and Vanshika all secured gold in the respective weight categories. BFR President Chairman Ajay Singh, speaking from Amman, praised the achievement, calling the moment one of national pride and hailing the boxers as future Olympic champions. India's Under-17 campaign is still ongoing, with 7 boxers set to compete in the finals.